Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Angels Learning Avenue. So, our today's topic is ending consonant blends. Like how we can blend whenever we have consonants at the end of a word, how we can blend that and how we can teach to a toddler. So, before proceeding ahead, I would just want to tell you, like, if you haven't watched our previous videos where I've taught you with the help of games how we can do initial blends with the help of lots of games. So do watch that video first before watching this video, because that first of all child need to be aware of initial blends, then you can tell the child about the ending consonant blends. So I'll give the link in the description box as well as in the I button, so do watch that video too. So now let's proceed. Like in what is ending consonant blend? Like whenever we are having blend at the end, like for example here, suppose let's take a word, suppose we have a bulb here. So my drawing is not that good, so let's take a bulb example B. So whenever we have written this word, so we need to ask the child like how we can blend this. So the child need to understand that child need to blend the first two letters, and then the child need to blend the last two letter sound, whatever is written over here at the end. So this is like, see, suppose how we can blend this, like it's a b, the sound of b and u together, the child need to say b, and here ending consonant blend l and b, like lb, lb. So L, the sound of L is L, B, Lb. So then the child need to, you need to put the finger so that the child need to see, the child need to, when you read it aloud, the child will copy you, and then the child, in this way child is also learning, like bulb, bulb. Now let's take another example. Like for example we have this band. So we need to ask the child, first of all you need to tell the child, like you can write on a piece of paper so the child can understand in a better way. So like, so because initially if you ask, the child will not understand. Suppose you have written band, so here the child need to read these two sounds together. So ba, nd, and the last two sounds together, nd. So band, band. So like this you can put it on a child, put it on a head of a child, because in this way if you will teach the child can at least like the child can listen to you. Otherwise they will not, if you'll write the sequence of set of words over here and they will repeat in front of child will never hear. Now next is, suppose we'll take an example of this. Suppose you can show, this is, what is this baby, this is mask. So then you can write it over here, and then you can again ask the child to blend. Suppose mask. The child need to blend these two letters together and the last two together. So you need to point like this, like put a dot beneath it, so the child must know that these two sounds the child need to take together, and then the child need to blend it. Mask, mask, right? So because sound of S is mask. Then suppose if you don't have any object, like these are the game, toddlers will generally play with these sort of games like with dolls and all, so then they will break it off. So you can show this to the, or you can show like this visual clues like hand, or you can show your hand, and then you can ask the child to tell you the ending blends. So you have written here hand, so the child need to blend these two and the last two letters. So hand, hand, like this. So you can show, and then you can ask the toddler like how we can blend this. Then you can take another example. Suppose you can show lamp. So if you can show your real image also of lamp, so that the child can understand. So then again the same process, la, the child need to blend these two and the last two together, la, and put the finger and read in front of the child aloud, so the child can see how you are doing, and then the child can understand, because after visualizing you, the child can understand. La, lamp. Then suppose to take another example, like this is a stand. So this is also a play toy only, which we got like an airplane toy or something like that. So now this kind of word, when it comes in picture, what we have to do is, like suppose these two consonants, the child need to say together, the sounds of these two consonants the child need to say together. Suppose here we have vowel here, so then when we need to join these two consonants with a vowel, and last two consonant the child need to say separately. Like for example, stand, stand, stand. So similarly with one toy you can ask many other things, like for example this stand is little oblique or tilted, so you can ask this way, this also to the child in this way. Like suppose we can write like tilt, So these two first two letters the child need to say together, and the last two blends together, like T, lt, tilt, T, lt, tilt. So initially the child is not able to, you can use the gesture like T, lt, tilt, 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 tilt. Like that you can also, in this way if you teach, the child can understand in a better way. Now similarly, next example we are having, suppose desk. So you can write the spelling, so the child, when you teach in this way, there is no need to child to remember the spelling. Child can automatically remember lots and lots of spelling without any hassles. Like de, child need to say these these two letters together and then last two sounds together. Desk. So it comes desk, desk, desk. So first individually and then together as a whole, desk. Similarly, if you are having any sort of like any kind of game or something like that, from there also you can show lamp. Suppose you are showing nest, so you can ask the child like what is the ending sound. Again the same process, the child need to read the first two letters together here, ne, ne, and then last two together, st, st. So what it became? Nest, nest. Similarly, you can take any example, suppose truck. So child need to, now these two letter tr and then combine with a vowel. Use a vowel and then last two together. So tr, tr, k, k, because ck sound is k, k. So truck, truck. I'll make a separate video like showing where I can tell you how, where we can use ck at the end and where we can use k at the end, because generally child get confused where to use k and where to use ck. So that also we'll discuss in our next video. So please stay tuned for my next video too. And the viewers or the people who are new to my channel, I will just recommend you, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my upcoming videos too, because when you hit the bell icon you will get my notifications. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos also, like it. So let's continue. So in this way you can teach various words to the toddler. Similarly, if you have any flashcards, with this also you can teach. Suppose you are teaching like these words, suppose it is written cold. So here also co, the child need to say these two sounds together and ending consonants together. Like for example, cold, 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 like that. So in this way you can play around with the flashcards or plastic alphabets or whatever you are having at home, or any toy, so the child can understand in a better way. Suppose if you are teaching one sort of word, like for example here, suppose if you are teaching cold, so related to this word you can teach many words like fold. So you can ask your child like, we can fold the clothes, so you can fold in front of child and then you can ask what is the ending blend we are having. So ld, fold. Similarly, you can ask I told you earlier, I told you. So told. Similarly, we are wearing sometime gold, so gold, gold. So child need to say these ending two sounds together, ld. So it is gold. Similarly, anything, any letter you can tell the child. For example, we'll take an example of belt. So belt. So you can show the child like okay, this you can show the actual object. Okay, this looks like belt. You can show any belt you are having. So belt. So the child need to say these two sounds together, belt, 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 like this. So you can play around with these things with the child and you can practice n number of words, so that the child vocabulary will be enhanced and the child will be fluent in the reading as well. So thank you for watching today's video. So thanks a lot and stay tuned for my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe and keep smiling. Bye bye.